Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Clash of Clans Supercell ID. First, it is crucial to understand that deleting your Supercell ID is a permanent and irreversible action. Once your account is deleted, all your game progress, purchases, and data across all Supercell games linked to that ID will be permanently removed. There is no way to recover it afterward, so please proceed with extreme caution and certainty. Before initiating the deletion process, there are a few essential steps to take. Firstly, make absolutely sure you are logged into the precise Supercell ID you intend to remove. Double-check your account details to avoid deleting the wrong one. Secondly, be aware that deleting one Supercell ID affects all Supercell games connected to it, like Clash Royale or Brawl Stars. There is no partial deletion, only a complete removal across all titles. To begin the deletion process, you will need to contact Supercell support directly through the game. From your Clash of Clans village, tap on the settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Within the settings menu, find and select Help and Support, then choose Contact Us to start a new chat. Clearly state your request to delete your Supercell ID account and be prepared to answer security questions. Supercell support will ask you a series of questions to verify that you are the legitimate owner of the account. These questions might include details about your device, approximate account creation date, or even the first purchase made, if applicable. Answer these questions accurately to expedite the process. Once your ownership is confirmed, the support team will explain the next steps and confirm your request for permanent deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.